to deliver reports about where to find royalty-free images or royalty-free sounds or music. Now, I would prefer to give you some recommendations because many businesses are here today and tomorrow will not be there any longer. There will be new businesses, etc. So that is very important, first of all, that you do not use images that you are not the owner of. So don't go to Google and type an image that you want to use, the name, and then copy this image or download and put it over your website, over your presentation. Even if you are delivering physical products, don't use images of other people. That's very important. You can have very big problems. You can have legal issues. I have some reports regarding legal issues. I really recommend that you read this document. Is in the resources. But here, let's focus first of all on what you need to do when you need new and free images. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna create your own with PowerPoint or with Photoshop. The second is you're gonna have to look for free images or images that you can buy and then you can use. Okay, first of all, you have to go to Google and type royalty-free images. And there are a lot of images here. The first important website that I suggest you to go to is iStockPhoto.com. They have amazing images. Okay? They have a lot of images. Some are free and some you have to pay a fee. Okay? You can see here pricing. Okay? You have different, for example here, 1 month you have $35, in this case 35 euros, 1 month, 10 images. If you want more, you need signature subscription, it's 85 euros, etc. Or you can buy credits, and each image is 1 or more credits. Okay, it's expensive, but the images are really top. Okay. Then you can find freedigitalphotos.net. They have also nice images. Okay. Or imagesource.com/royalty-free. Okay. Then what I'm going to use is Icon Archive. I look also for free icons or free images, and you saw many of them in my presentations. And here we are. Okay. If you type, for example, here business, you get some images. Okay, if you click on one of them, you can see here that you can use them, but you need to read here the license, which license you have to respect. Okay, if you have to buy or not. If you want to have a commercial usage, there are more conditions and you need to read this here. Okay. Go back, there are some this attribution, or you can go to this image and you can see here link where they need a link back to their website. Okay, or this other image. Okay, to-do list, this again, commercial usage is allowed, and you have the different possibility to download this picture. Okay, it's an icon or ICNC or PNG, and here you have all the possibility: 128 pixel, 96, etc. So you find all these images in iconarchive.com. Okay, this is an amazing website. I really recommend you to visit it. You may find also free images. This is also nice. For images, you can find really images that are free. You don't need to buy anything. Okay, business, for example. You go here, you find, of course, the quality is this quality. And underneath you find the first ones, and then the other ones maybe are like this. Here on the right side, these are for premium members. That means you need to pay for. And on the left side, you find images that you can use for free. you see, of course, the difference in the quality. If you start off, okay, you can start using free images. Otherwise, I really recommend you to go to the premium version. You can also find here in www.43.freeicons.com, okay, images, or icon finder is also nice. You can find also free images that you don't need to pay, and other images that you have to pay to have the right for. It is iconfinder.com/free_icons. You find the free icons, so you don't need to pay. Okay, you can find here a lot of icons that are free for you to use. Okay, otherwise you just type icon finder and you will find all the images and icons that you need, and then some you need to pay and others are free. Okay, you can also look for royalty-free cartoons. Okay, here, for example, you find in this website, I have an article here over where they say 15 cartoonists that allow using their webcomics for free. Okay, here there are some. You need to read the license. Okay, you go to seosmarty.com/15 cartoonists that allow using their webcomics for free. Okay, you need to read all these licenses here and see which blog you can find them. Then you can find here cartoonize.net. You can find a tool that you need to pay here for almost $20. You can cartoonize yourself. You can create avatars. Okay, you can here, for example, you want to take an image of you, create images, or just use one existing image or photo and do some cartoons out of it, and you can use for your PowerPoint presentation. Okay, here there are other clip art, or you need to pay them a fee to get the rights. Okay, here is clip art of .com, gallery, clip art, cartoon, etc. Okay, and you have another one, free cartoons. Yeah, free vectors. You can find a lot of cartoons here. And freeimages.com I showed you before. Okay, that is very interesting. You can see here royalty free. Okay. Also, you can say create free avatar. Okay. Here you can create a free avatar. Okay, they give you the basis to create your avatar. You can use some eyes here. Okay, here you don't need. You can see you can just copy and paste on the presentation. This one, free dynamic avatars. Just to type here, create free avatars, or free or royalty free. You need to type this. Then there is a graphic stock website where you can find a lot of royalty-free images. Okay, you see here for business or for nature, whatever. And okay, you can create your account and you can download many of them for free. Okay, so you can see here, you just royalty-free images, royalty-free cartoons, create free avatars, and something similar. Use always these keywords. You will find more resources, of course, in the course, but really recommend you that you look in the internet for something that is amazing for you. And remember, never use images that you don't have the rights for, or you are not sure you have the right for.